Hi, I'm Larry Richardson, your step-by-step chef. In this exciting episode of Cooking and Camping with the Step-by-Step Chef, we are going to make an absolutely delicious and fresh-tasting homemade trail mix. And this is so good, you'll want to eat it whether you're at home or on the road. And I'm going to eat it here at Cumberland Falls State Park in Kentucky. So come on, let's cook. So just to make a point before we make our own trail mix, here is a store-bought pre-made granola. And what you usually end up with is peanuts that just don't quite taste like the peanuts you're used to eating. I have no idea why. It has some sunflower seeds in it. Those are yummy. It has some raisins. But it also has what I like to call M&M-ishes. They're not real M&Ms, so they don't taste like M&Ms. And the other huge problem I have with M&Ms in a trail mix is if you're hiking in a warm area, this is what happens. They crack, then they melt, and then they combine with all of this, and they form kind of like this trail mix ball. And then when you go to eat it, you get this chocolate all over your hands and everything else. It's not that pleasant. So what I recommend is when you pick your trail mix ingredients, think of durability. Think of how it's going to hold up to heat and getting jostled around. M&Ms don't do well at that. You will end up with just a ball of chocolate. So what I recommend is that you eat your M&Ms from a bag of M&Ms in the car or out at your campsite before you go hiking. And then you can have more when you get back, but otherwise keep them out of your trail mix. So let me show you how to put our trail mix together. Our great outdoors trail mix, as we like to say. So for our great outdoors trail mix, we're going to use some mixed nuts. I guarantee you this tastes like nuts. And we don't have to, this means we don't have to go picking through the nut aisle trying to find individual kinds of nuts we like, although you can certainly do that if you like. But I find these mixed nuts work great, and they're delicious. You actually look forward to eating them on the trail. We have a little box of raisins. You can add more raisins if you want. And I have some granola. Now the granola might get a little bit crushed up, but at least I know it's not going to make everything sticky and everything's going to fuse together. But this is how simple it can be. And what you do is you go into the grocery store and you think about your favorite durable ingredients and tasty ingredients, and you pick those out, and then you combine them. I could have added, like mini pretzels and stuff like that to it, as long as they hold up. I mean, it depends on really how they're going to be treated out in the field, because you don't want pretzel dust. But this is a great mix for me when I'm hiking. It has a protein, it has a fruit, and it has a carb. So it pretty much covers the bases that I need covered to power through when I'm on the trail. So let me show you how to do this, how to mix it up. Okay, so making our great outdoors trail mix is this simple. Take our mixed nuts, pour as much as you think you'll need in a day. And again, pick out the kind of nuts that you like. If you don't like mixed nuts, get some fresh nuts of a different sort. Maybe you just like cashews. Maybe you just like peanuts. It's totally up to you. And just measure out as much as you think you're going to need for your hike. And then add a little bit more in case you're a little slower than you thought you might be. And then we just add our raisins, if they'll come out. Now you can see the nuts look fresher. The raisins definitely look fresher. They're tastier. And, and then you put on the granola, and you have a trail mix you're actually going to look forward to eating. So here's our granola. I mean, right? Doesn't that look tasty? And then you just mix it up a little bit, just so you can see it. Now that's a really healthy, nutritious trail mix that will also get you and keep you on your way. Now compare that to the store-bought one, right? You can just see the difference. And I mean, I don't know, the little pack of store-bought cost me $2. And I have a sneaking suspicion that pound for pound, this is actually less expensive. So again, make your own great outdoors trail mix and enjoy the day. So congratulations, look at what you just did. You just made this delicious and nutritious trail mix. Now the biggest challenge with this is not eating it all before you reach the trailhead. I mean, because then you're gonna have to go back and make even more. So try to fight that urge. Wait till you're really hungry on the trail, and this will pull you through. Now, if you like this recipe, please visit my website, StepByStepChef.com. There you will find a printable version of this recipe and over 175 other recipes for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. In addition, you will find links to step-by-step chef videos that will show you how to make every single one of those recipes. You get more me than you probably ever wanted. So please visit that. In addition, because we're doing cooking and camping with the Step-by-Step Chef, you will also find videos on how to camp. It will show you how to camp comfortably, it will give you the basics, and then you can make it your own. So my name's Larry Richardson, I am your Step-by-Step Chef, and I'll see you in the next episode. Okay, I'm breaking my own rule. I'll make more.